Okay, we're going to install the nopCommerce API. So you go to the Admin Control Center and go to Configuration, and then go to Local Plugins. Click on Upload Plugin or Theme. Click on Browse to the zip file, and then Upload. It will restart, and after it's restarted, click on Install. It will still have to restart again. Click on Restart Application. And once it's restarted, it's installed. One thing to check is if you don't have the Facebook authentication enabled, then what you do is click on Config and enter one into the app ID and app secret, and then click on Save. This is to prevent any errors that might occur during the API calls. It doesn't interfere with the Facebook authentication. If you have it enabled with the proper API keys, then that's okay as well. Thank you.